So I got some giant potatoes here. I have them already. And I have them again. Cut them into some decent sized chunks. This way it'll cook a little faster. I have a pot of water on the stove already. And then what we're just going to do is we're going to add these to the pot of water. No salt in the water, just plain water. Put them in. It's cold. Look, I stick my finger in. Turn the temperature on high. And we're going to let those boil for 20 minutes. So we're just going to check out our potatoes. They're starting to break down. Got a little bit of heat on the pan. Throw in a little bit of oil. And I like to have tomatoes with my breakfast in the mornings, and I still have some left over from my other recipes, so we're just gonna grab a couple of these, a little red. I'm just gonna swirl some oil around, and we're gonna let those just get a little caramelized, a little heat in them. So it looks like the potatoes are done, and I do have a treat for everybody today. So let me go and strain these. I'll be right back. And we're going to make some mashed potatoes. So I'm making this mashed potatoes, and I asked my mom for the masher, and she says, I don't have a masher. Use the mixer. My parents never throw anything out, so this is like a real treat. So I dug the mixer out, got it all set up, put the lid on it, just to show you. But this is from it's like 60 years old. Check that out. She wanted the chrome, got the chrome. So I got the bowl. It all works. The dial is on this side. Maybe I can show you. Got all the different speeds. Yeah. So we're just going to grab some butter. Throw it in there. Put our half cup of cream in. And we're going to get to mixing. Old school style. I'll speed that up a little bit. Check that out. Nice smooth whip. I like mine with a little bit of lumps in it. Some people don't. Now if I can just get this back on. There we go. Mashed potatoes are ready. The tomatoes have a nice char in them. You can hear that sizzling sound. Now we'll just take some of this no salt added beef broth. We're not doing it to cook it, but we're going to let that go for a little bit and reduce down, and going to have some nice flavor. So give that about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to poach a couple legs. My water's come to a boil. So just crack these babies open. We'll head over to the stove. And then what we want to do is we want to slowly drop these in right where the bubbles are. Yeah, just like that. Hot tub party. And let those boil for about 1.5 minutes or so. We're making these eggs really soft. Extra gentle. Ooh, look at that. That's soft poached. Alright, so now comes the fun part. We get the plateness. We want to take our super creamy mashed potatoes. Now, I don't know about you, but in my family, we like a lot of mashed potatoes. Make a nice well in the bottom. Smooth out the top a little bit. Our broth in there. A little bit around the edges. Grab another one. Here comes the most difficult part of assembling this. We want to get that soft poached egg in very gently. Look at those nice charred tomatoes releasing their juices. Ooh-wee. Protein. Vegetables. I'll get that yellow one in there. And we are set.